Good evening. Here we are in the bidding and the quotation approval application, and this is a very brief demo. So we are here in purchases and we go to all bid invites. There is a plus sign on the right bottom. We just click here. It auto captures the current date and we can give it a title, let's say brochure 24 pages. Okay, and then we can again have brochure clotty A, and then we can just write cover 300 GSM inside 170 GSM. We are talking about a quantity of 1000, and there was a demand that you just want to write the unit. It should not be pre-selected, so we can just click other. I have now decreased the options to just 2. So any valid unit, or you can just write kg here, and the bid terms supply in 7 days and good quality, and we can write a bid message. This will go on the top of the mail. Dear sir, please quote best rates. You can write in your name from Jasmeet. And this is an important section now. Now select your vendors. Now here let's say I am selecting idea catalyst, I am selecting simplify, and now all the email IDs that are saved in the vendor master. Now you want to see where is the vendor master. We are just going here and in the bottom of purchases section, all vendors. Now let's say for simplify INC, now this email ID is saved and this is saved. Now as you can see, both are listed here. So this will go to all the, and if you don't want to send to anyone, you can just click cross, simple. And now let's say that you want the replies to come to several IDs. So you can just first of all select your company, and then whatever IDs you have saved in my organization, those will get listed here. Let's say like I am selecting idea catalyst. Now I have 2 IDs saved, so it will go get marked CC to both of them. Now let's say I am just going to my organization. This is my organization, my all companies, and this is Venus Remedies, and I just click edit here. Now let's say if I write abc@venus.com, let me make it short. Let's say efg@venus.com, and whichever you are, let's say hod@venus.com. Now all these, now I just update this, and here I just cross this, and I'll select the company as Venus. You see all the IDs that I listed there will come here. So out of this, if you don't want that this person should get the email, you just put a cross on that and it's all done. You can just submit it, and there we are. Now if I click on invite bids, so invitation for the bid will go. This is the bid preview, quite simple and effective. And further, after this process, we go to quotation. Any pending quotation, it's there. You can see this format. You did not want the extra fields like packing, installation, etc. I have already deleted them. So if you click on edit, so you just select a bid title, and this auto captures all the vendors. You can fill in the rates and per kg, and let's say you fill in the rates and this section, and just click on update. So for the HOD, like any person who is the final authority, he will get preview of only this thing. So like this quote is right now pending for approval. Now let's say he has a quick glance. Of course these rates would be filled, and he takes up a decision, and if the selection is approved, he just approved it, then he has no pending work to do. So this is how the entire scheme of thing goes. and whatever changes that were told to me, they are already. And if you just go ahead and list all quotations, there's a list of all the quotations that are there. So any of our data can be updated, and there is an update PO button. So you can just write 1, 2, 3. This button was not working earlier, now it is working. So the PO number gets updated. So that's it. Please go through it and let me know if all goes well. Thank you. Good night.